Alaminos City at the Victory Liner bus station, bus terminal, and we are headed for Cubao. It is now 9:30 a.m. and I'm not sure what time we're going to be taking off here, but I can imagine pretty shortly. So first stop will be Tarlac, and we will reconnect when we get there. All right, see you in a few. All right, well, we made it here to Tarlac at 12:40. We left Alaminos City at 9:55. The 10 a.m. bus left at 9:55 because we kind of filled up a little quick on the bus. So keep that in mind if you're traveling on Victory Liner. You know, if it says 10 a.m. bus departure time, it could very well leave a little bit early, which in our case it did. We filled up the bus and we left at 9:55. Well, anyways, we got here at Tarlac at 12:40. Took us under 3 hours, which is pretty awesome. 2 hours and 45 minutes. Usually it takes 3 hours, so we're doing good today. Again, we're here at Tarlac. Bus stop, whatever you want to call this place. This is where we always stop when we're either coming from Cubao to Alaminos, or in this case, we're going Alaminos down to Cubao. So we're coming up on a total of what, 3 hours? We haven't quite reached the 3 hour mark yet. So after this, we're gonna go ahead and drop off at Dau. So in a few more minutes, we'll probably be leaving, and then we'll catch up again in Dau and see how things are looking at that time. All right, see you in a few. Okay, well, that was a nice little stopover in Tarlac for a quick toilet break and a fast bite to eat there. We're now in Dau. We just got here about 2:05. So now we got about, oh heck, 4 hours and 10 minutes invested in this trip. So I'll just take a quick walk around here, show you what we got. Actually, I'm in search of a garbage can. If I can find one of those. I think I will go over here to empty out my trash here. I don't see any regular garbage barrels around here. So let's just go ahead and put that right there. There we go. Anyways, here we are in Dau. 4 hours and 10 minutes we've been on this bus since Alaminos, so we're doing pretty good actually. We'll see how long it takes us to get to Cubao, but shouldn't be that long hopefully. We're on our way in there this evening to go see a concert. So anyways, I'm gonna get back on this bus so the wife can get out here and do what she's got to do. So we'll catch back up here in a few minutes, or a couple hours rather. All right, talk to you in a few. Alrighty, that was the last leg of the trip from Dau to Cubao Victory Liner Bus Terminal. Took us a total of let me see, 6 hours 45 minutes. We left Alaminos at 9:55. Excuse me. We get here at we just arrived here at Cubao Victory Liner Bus Terminal here, 4:40 p.m. It took us from Dau, it took us about 2 hours and 20 minutes. 2 hours and 25 minutes, right around there. So yeah, we're doing really good on time until we hit the Manila metro area and everything just went to shit. Everything went to a standstill. So anyways, I'll give you a quick peek at Cubao Bus Terminal, and then we'll go ahead and call this one quits. All right, here we go. Straight out front there is I believe Aurora Highway, so that's the main highway right out there. The buses usually come in from the rear, the back way right there, and then yeah, this is it. This is the bus terminal. So anyways, our brother is here, so we'll catch you later, guys. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon. All right, bye bye.